How to change profile picture on Steam. So first what we want to do is just open up your Steam app. Now once you're here, just simply click on your profile on the top right. Then just simply click on view my profile. Now once you're there, you will see the edit profile button on the right side. Just simply click on that also. And just go to avatar here under general. And now you could upload the avatar if you want to. Just need to click on the upload avatar button and you just need to go to the picture that you want and just click on open. And you could also pick some avatars that are given by Steam. So let's say I want to pick some avatars right here on Steam, and this one looks good, so I'm just gonna use this one. And once you're done, you just need to click on save right here, and now it will automatically be added. And when I view my profile again, so view my profile, and now as you can see, my profile is now changed, and that's how you basically change your Steam profile picture.